Are you looking for a way to make Google Sheets super advanced? Well, this tool is going to help you integrate with practically any API available. So let me show you what I'm talking about right now. The tool that I'm talking about is called Epiphany, and what it does, it creates an extension inside of Google Sheets that lets you use API. That means that we can pull information from other SaaSes that have API and use it inside of Google Sheets. That means that if you want to pull data from YouTube, Facebook, OpenAI, or just any SaaS that has API, it will be possible with this tool. So it's super flexible. One of the downsides about this tool is that it's not user friendly, so it's not meant for everyone. You need to at least have basic knowledge of API or have a developer connected for you. Once it's connected, you're good to go. Now, right now, there's a deal that's going on and it's $99 for this lifetime deal. It gets you access to Epiphany and it's access for one user. And there's no limitations to what data you pull or how much information you pull with this. And one of the cool things that it has is that it has a scheduler. So that means you can pull data every hour, every week, every month, etc. Now, why would you do that? Let's just say that you're pulling data from YouTube. Now, you want to get that data refreshed every week or month because you are monitoring your competitors or you're doing something else, etc. But it has that scheduler. Now, let me show you Epiphany in my Google Sheets. Now, I created something, I would say strange, not common inside of this. So I just want to show you the flexibility that this has. So in this case, I connected with OpenAI. This one writes automatically for me. And what I've done is I've created on OpenAI something that generates 3 hashtags for me. That's what I generated. If I wanted to write a full blog post, a title, etc., that is possible with OpenAI. So what I've done is I've connected the API URL path, and in this case, it's a post. Now, like I said, you need to have at least basic knowledge of API to connect this. I've added my headers. I've added the body for this. So I'm using DaVinci for this in OpenAI. I can use a pen mode, include, etc. And in this case, you can see the body. In the body, I am writing the JSON file that I need, the information for it. And I am pulling data from this part of the Google Sheet. So in this case, I am grabbing B3 from sheet 1, okay, from this data. Now, if I run it, it's going to generate for me 3 hashtags because that's what I made it to do. So let's go ahead and run this. Let's go ahead and run it. And it's connecting to OpenAI, which has nothing to do with Google Sheets. But thanks to Epiphany, I'm able to use that API inside of Google. All right. So there we go. It generated 3 hashtags for me. Now, how did this work? Okay. So in sheet 2, what it does, it wrote all the information that it pulled from OpenAI. So the ID for it, the object, the created, etc. And choice text was the result. Like I mentioned before, if I wanted to write a blog post, well, I would get that text here. Right? You get all this information. It even tells me how many tokens I used and etc. That's from OpenAI. And what I did on Google Sheet 1 is that I connected it to Sheet 2. Sheet 2 E2 would be the result, and that's why I'm viewing it here. Now, I'm guessing that Google Sheet experts will have a lot of fun with this because they'll be able to do more flexible things with it. Now, one of the downsides of Epiphany right now is that it's pulling data from a specific column and one of the squares, right? And like I said before, it's pulling it from B3. Now, one of the things that I've talked to with the founder is that I wish that they add the whole row for this. So if I add a new comment here or description, etc., it's going to automatically write the result as I keep on adding them. So that's something that they're going to be working on, but for now it only works with one of these, okay? So that's one of the results that you can get. You also have the pen mode, include data and time, trim sheet, so it cleans it up, and you can run it, save it, duplicate it, delete it, and back. So all that information there. You can also import here, and you can also schedule. So like I mentioned before, in this case, I'm just writing something and I'm getting results for 3 hashtags. But let's just say that I'm connecting to the API of YouTube and I am grabbing the user data of my competitor. Well, I want to know how the competitor is doing in a week. So I wanted to automatically pull that data again. So run the API so it gives me the new results. Now, those are the things that you can do with Epiphany. Now, I think it's incredible because having API inside of Google Sheets makes it really powerful. Like I said, once they make that system run for the whole role, it's going to go into the next level with this system. Now, the cool thing about it is that you can practically connect with any API via this system. So let's just say that if Zapier, Poly Connect, Integromat, Make, etc. doesn't have the connection, well, you can create that connection here via API and use it inside of Google Sheets. So that's what makes it flexible and interesting. Now, like I said before, if you are a Google Sheet expert, I know that you can do way more with this. So just in this case, I made a quick result and I pulled it from Google Sheet 2 and displayed it in here. So it makes it a little bit cleaner. But you can do a whole lot of things with this if you know more things with Google Sheets. That's just a basic overview of what Epiphany does. The only reason I made this OpenAI demo is to show you that it's super flexible and it's connected with something that's strange. And I mean, you could do that thanks to Epiphany. Now, this is the lifetime deal that's going on right now. It's $99 to have this system. If you have basic knowledge or you want to contract a developer to connect the API, I think it's a good option. But if you don't want to jump into API and you don't need this, then you can surely skip it. But if you want to grab it, I will be leaving the link in the description. Well, that's a wrap.